Myoho Renge Kyo. Namo Myoho Renge Kyo, Namo Myoho Renge Kyo, Namo Myoho Renge Kyo. How are you? I hope this finds you in good health and secure. Namo Myoho Renge Kyo. Just watched the fourth flight test of SpaceX Starship. Wow. Amazing, amazing. You know, I watched Apollo. Most of you probably saw the shuttle and what it did, which is not nearly as complex as getting to the moon, let alone Mars. But still, realizing that all we ever saw was rockets taking off into space and then capsules or ships landing. Never before have we seen actual footage live of the ship entering the atmosphere, going through the atmosphere, the plasma coming around the ship in space. We've always seen animations, right? Until the ISS, we didn't really have footage of outer space actually happening, ships docking, that kind of thing. SpaceX has been amazing in this regard. And now with Starlink, we're able to see actual footage. What a dramatic thing. Anyway, still getting over that. As for today's drama, for us, we're going to cover Miao-lo or Zhanran. And I think the middle way will be several pages. So for this video, we're going to talk about Miao-lo, also known as, we hear or we read from Nichiren, Miao-lo's name referred to many times, a student and, what's the word? a student of and a continuance of Tien-Tai in China, Zhanran, known as Miao-lo in Japanese. And so you may get confused because you'll hear both of those terms interchanged at different times. I use them too when I'm reviewing the Lotus Sutra. But same person, same man. Zhanran, Chinese, pinyin, Zhanran. Another translation is Chanzhan. That's probably more correctly pronounced, actually. Sometimes called Miao-lo or Miao-le, was the sixth patriarch of the Tien-Tai school of Chinese Buddhism and helped to revive the school's preeminence after a period of decline, after the passing of Tien-Tai, or Chi, or Ji, depending on how you pronounce it. His lay surname was Qi, and he was also known as Qi, after his birthplace in modern-day Xizing County, Jiangsu Province. These Chinese words. Early in his monastic training, traditional biographies stated that he thoroughly studied the Vinaya in 4 parts before being ordained by precepts master Tan Yi. As head of the Tien-Tai order, Zhanran spent much time and energy writing commentaries on the works of Qi and writing defenses of the Tien-Tai school against the newer Fietshang and Huayan schools. Zhanran is best known for his scriptural exegesis of such works as Ji's Mohe Jiquan, the Great Calming and Contemplation, as well as his promotion of the doctrine of universal Buddha nature. He is the author of the Adamantine Scalpel, Jin Yang Pi, among other works. So, it's not an exhaustive hysteresis of Miao-lo or Zhanran, but it's a starting point if that's something you want to pursue. Identifies him in his lineage, and that's quite sufficient in order for our study of Nichiren's doctrine of the Lotus Sutra Buddhism to feel cohesive, yeah? And that's mainly the purpose of Buddhism reference, to understand the rhetoric and the terms and words of Buddhism from thousands of years ago, certainly throughout the 50-year teaching of Shakyamuni Buddha's lifetime, as it pertains to our modern practice of Nichiren's doctrine. That's always the culminating point, yeah? All right. Thank you for your practice. Thank you for listening. This whole endeavor, this resource wouldn't be possible without your support, whether it's liking and subscribing, which is a bodhisattva act to keep growing the Sangha, or purchasing ebooks, print books, mandalas, supporting as a patron on Patreon or a PayPal directly. Lots of free stuff, podcasts, audio podcasts, free stuff on threefoldlotus.com. I keep cleaning up that site. It's been up since the mid-90s. So lots of information there. I'm slowly paring it down. Cafe Press just changed their whole site and then broke a bunch of links. So I've been repairing those. So on that note, if you catch anything that's not working or not working correctly, seems like it's missing, please let me know. Email me directly at tlksylvain@gmail. And if you have anything that you want to contribute or ask questions of on these videos, that's what the comments section is there for. Thanks again. Links in the description for all that stuff. Take care of your health. Keep your practice strong. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.